Puerto Rico Governor Ricardo Rosselló has repeatedly praised President Donald Trump for his response to the devastation wreaked on the island by Hurricane Maria. Then, there's San Juan Mayor Carmen Yulín Cruz. Cruz has criticized Trump and the U.S. response on numerous occasions. Saturday morning, Trump struck back at Cruz with a quintessential Trump tweet storm. Cruz slammed Team Trump on Friday, per the Washington Post. "People are dying in this country. I am begging anyone that can hear us, to save us from dying. If anybody out there is listening to us, we are dying, and you are killing us with the inefficiency and the bureaucracy." Even the most casual of Trump observers know he doesn't take kindly to criticism. Saturday morning, he fired up Twitter and let Cruz know just exactly what he thought of her comments. The mayor of San Juan, who was very complimentary only a few days ago, has now been told by the Democrats that you must be nasty to Trump. Donald J. Trump at Donald Trump September 30, 2017. Such poor leadership ability by the mayor of San Juan and others in Puerto Rico who are not able to get their workers to help. Donald J. Trump at Donald Trump September 30, 2017. Want everything to be done for them when it should be a community effort. 10,000 federal workers now on island, doing a fantastic job. Donald J. Trump at Donald Trump September 30, 2017. Perhaps those last two tweets didn't help the president's cause with his detractors and the Puerto Rican people, which is often the case when he erupts on Twitter. Speaking of which, what Trump tweet storm would be worth its weight in condemnation without an attack on the fake news media? Fake news. CNN and NBC are going out of their way to disparage our great first responders as a way to get Trump. Not fair to our effort. Donald J. Trump at Donald Trump September 30, 2017. The fake news networks are working overtime in Puerto Rico, doing their best to take the spirit away from our soldiers and first RS. Shame. Donald J. Trump at Donald Trump September 30, 2017. The president then praised the US's efforts in Puerto Rico. The military and first responders, despite no electric, roads, phones, etc., have done an amazing job. Puerto Rico was totally destroyed. Donald J. Trump at Donald Trump September 30, 2017. He retweeted examples of relief WORK Air Force relief efforts in Puerto Rico Virgin Islands. https://cognmss U.S. Air Force at US Air Force September 29, 2017. VIDEO elements of the DOT and FEMA are providing humanitarian relief for Puerto Rico. Divided by and usvue.pic.twitter.com. The U.S. Department of Defense at Dept of Defense September 28, 2017. Trump slammed Puerto Rican officials Friday, calling them totally and unfortunately unable to handle this catastrophic crisis on their own. The government of Puerto Rico will have to work with us, he said, to determine how this massive rebuilding effort will be funded. Watch Cruz's appearance on CNN's New Day below.